CH Vijayashankar,
do swear in the name of God
do swear in the name of God
that I will faithfully discharge the function of the Governor of Meghalaya
that I will faithfully discharge the function of the Governor of Meghalaya.
Chandrashekhar H Vijayashankar nekasimba arula shimti kum ulat pura jong jylla Meghalaya. Chandrashekhar ula shah pyntian smai how Chief Justice ka Meghalaya High Court Justice S Vaidyanathan jingialang long Raj Bhavan Shillong. Jingialang dan lang Myntri Rangbah jylla Conrad K Sangma ki Symbud Myntri Rangbah ba Prestone Tynsong Bah Sniawbhalang Dhar ki Myntri Sorkar ki MLA ki he ophisar Sorkar ki he shipai bat kiwei. Chandrashekhar ulawan shimti kumulat ke jylla jaka jong ulat barim ke jylla Phagu Chauhan.
I serve here when I complete my tenure here as a governor of the state. When I go back, not only the government, not only the bureaucracy, entire Meghalaya people should say, one of the very good governor we had for the first so many years. Every people should say, one of the honest, one of the very development oriented governor he had come to our state. This you people, in the sense Meghalaya people, always should remember